Let's make a handprint flower. You will need a pencil, scissors, straws, some adhesive tape, and construction paper. First, trace the outline of your hand with a pencil onto a piece of construction paper. Then cut out the handprint with scissors. Roll the bottom of the hand shape into a cone-like shape. Leave a small hole at the end of the cone for the straw to go through. Tape it to hold them together. Using the side of the pencil, curl the paper fingers outward one by one to form a petal shape. A round pencil is perfect for it. Look, the handprint turned into a flower. Now let's make the stem of the flower. Take a straw. Cut the end of the straw into several parts with scissors to make it look like a stem in shape. Then insert the bottom of the straw into a hole of the paper flower and pass it through. Position the stem and part of the straw so it can be seen properly. Tape them to hold it together. Great! Make as many as you want. Tie them together with the ribbon to make a bouquet. The bouquet is so pretty. Wouldn't it be nice to give it to someone as a present? Do you want to try it with me? It'll be fun. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next video. Bye!